Find 67% of 5,236. We need the part of 5,236. 67% is the percent. 5,236 is the whole. The question mark is the part we are finding. The whole bar is 100%, or 5,236. The green bar grows to 67%. So the green part is the answer we need. Percent means out of 100. 67 divided by 100 is 0.67. In A, percent problem of tells us to multiply. Multiply 67 by 5,236. 350,812 divided by 100 is 508.12. So 67% of 5,236 is 508.12.